Hi everyone, welcome to Return Path. In today's video, we'll talk about importance of silence. This is one thing which is often misunderstood by people in our society. We often think that practicing silence is something similar to being lonely, but that is not the reality. It depends all upon your perspective. For example, if you are living in a distant city from your family and you come back one day home from your office, make a cup of coffee and sit in the balcony to enjoy that, it depends upon your wisdom and perspective to take it either as loneliness or freedom. For me, it will definitely be freedom. So silence is very important for us. You know that our body needs rest. So what sleep is to our physical body, silence is absolutely that to our mind. Have you ever noticed that how much we are living in this noisy world? We are actually living in the world of perpetual sound, from TV, radio, mobile, WhatsApp, OTT platforms, notifications or pings from incoming text or emails, talking with friends, colleagues, family, all these are noise. And on what cost we are doing this? As per a WHO study in cooperation with some European agency, they came to the conclusion that when we are exposed to noise for a long time, we develop low immunity and high BP. And another study also concluded that the people who were exposed to a lot of noise at workplace, they developed high cholesterol and insomnia. Just as noise triggers a range of detrimental or bad effect on our physical and mental body, silence can actually help heal those challenges. There was another study conducted in 2015 which showed cell growth in our brain. There was a study where they conducted it on mice and also on people, where they realized that the hippocampus area of our brain actually got very positive effect, which is responsible for improving our memory. So there they saw new cell growth. So practicing silence is very important for improving our memory, for maintaining our mental calm. Also, it was noted that if we practice mindful meditation even for 5 minutes in a day, we can overcome insomnia. So silence is very important for our overall well-being. These days people are so scared of practicing silence that whenever we have free time, what do? We actually switch on the TV. We watch random stuff on YouTube, or we scroll carelessly through the social media platforms. Because in our culture, we are made to be task oriented, efficiency focused. We are not taught that how to practice silence. But the irony is, when we practice silence or solitude, we become more productive. And that is one of the reasons that many corporates these days, the big corporate companies these days, they have room for silent practice. Because when our brain neurons remain hyperactive for a long period of time, especially in the metro cities, our performance goes down. And that is why they are promoting practicing silence, so that you get the clarity and creativity intact, which will definitely help to improve your overall performance with yourself and also with your colleagues in the office. So let us quickly look at few of the benefits that we get out of practicing silence. Firstly, we get the clarity. I have used this example in my previous videos also, that when the water is muddy, we are unable to see the clean water on the top of it. So we need to allow our mind to settle down, so that among all the chaotic situation, we can see the clear picture, and that will happen when we practice silence. Next, we will be better at making decision when we practice silence, because in a lot of studies, the brain scan has shown that most of our time these days, our brain remains on hyperactive mode and it doesn't get any rest. And when it is hyperactive, it is unable to restore or regenerate. So we fail at making good decisions. So practicing silence will actually help us to take a better decision about our life. And also, the emotions we try to suppress when we are on autopilot mode, we get a clear picture of that when we practice silence. So we are able to identify and analyze our emotion very well. Another benefit is that we get to reflect upon our action. When we practice silence, a lot of layers of our mind unfold on its own. That will help us actually to mend a broken relationship, or to change our career path, or maybe to help us work upon our self-development program. So when we practice silence, we actually get enough time to reflect upon the actions that we have taken in the past, or we can take in the future, improve ourselves or our overall life. Another benefit is that we become more empathetic. When we practice silence, we get the ability to hear others also, and that will strengthen your relationship. Also, practicing silence helps us to connect better with other people, because if we are incapable of practicing silence, we will be incapable of understanding others, that what they are talking. If we want to hear them out patiently, we need to have the practice of silence, because also when we practice silence, we are able to communicate effectively with them. We are not just like any other sound wave. So practicing silence helps us strengthen our relationship with other people. The next benefit is we get to encounter the divinity. We have something beyond this physical body. We have that supreme power with whom we can only connect with silence, because inner silence is something which connects us to our resource or our own source. And to have that inner silence, we need to first silence our exterior situations. Subjecting ourselves to the noise is kind of self-neglect. We should find practical ways to practice silence, because if I say that you need to do 30 to 40 minutes of silent meditation or mindful breathing, it's not feasible in this rush of life, or we cannot go to mountains or forests to practice that meditation. What we can do is that we can take out few minutes every day from our daily life to practice silence. It could be a small 2 minutes, 5 minutes pauses. So let us call it silent pause every day. We can take out a maximum 3 to 4 pauses like this, so that firstly, in initial stage we might find it strange to practice, but soon you will reap the benefit. You will see that it is affecting your mental frame and you are able to have a better concentration. So what can we do? Of course, we can practice meditation, and if we can do it, nothing like it. But if we are not practicing meditation, what we can do is, for example, you are driving to your office. Maybe one day switch off the radio, just focus on the driving, no extra noise in the car. Or maybe if you are cooking a meal for your family, you can switch off the TV in the background. Or maybe every day you can have some time without any mobile phone, maybe 10 minutes, 20 minutes, where you don't check any of your electronic gadgets. These kind of silence, even if you practice, you will feel the difference. There was a very famous Sufi poet, Rumi, and he has said a very wise thing, that learn to listen to silence. It has so much to say. The quieter you become, the more you are able to hear. So let us take this as a task for this week. We will practice silence every day for minimum 5 minutes. And let me know in the comment section how you practiced it, what were the methods, and after a week, how did you feel? If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. I come up with video every week. Till we meet next, stay happy, be grateful. Namaste.